In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do this POV edit all inside of After Effects without using any AI, okay? Let's get started. So let's drag and drop the footage inside the new composition. And what I'm going to do is import the screenshot inside the new comp, okay? And I'm going to pre-compose this, Control Shift and C, and rename this 1, hit OK. And I'm going inside this pre-comp by double clicking on it. Control K to go to the composition settings. I'm gonna set the width to 900 and the height to 2500. Okay, hit OK. So I'm gonna scale this image to around 10. Hit P, set a keyframe, and move it down here. And I'm gonna go to around 2 seconds. And I'm gonna go to the right side a little bit here. Go to 4 seconds. Go up here. And 6 seconds, go here, and at the last I'm gonna go this out of the frame here. Okay, so I'm gonna select all the keyframes, F9 for easy ease, and right click, go to keyframe interpolation, and I'm gonna set this from linear to Bezier. Hit OK. So you have these curves you can adjust. Okay, all right, so what we have is this simple animation. I'm gonna Shift and S on the keyboard, set a keyframe, move this here. I'm gonna set the scale values to 0 at the first frame so that it starts from 0 to 10. Select all these keyframes, F9, and I'm gonna hit R to bring up the rotation. Hold down Alt and click on the stopwatch and just type in time. Just type in time times 100 or 50 depending on how fast you want the rotation. So I'm gonna stick with 100 and let's see what we have so far. Okay, so it's just this image rotating and going up, you know, simple as that. So I'm gonna go back to the raw footage. By the way, I'm just going to hit Control K on the keyboard and rename this main comp. Hit OK. Alright, so what we have right now is simply this one. Since we have some camera movement on the POV shot, we need to track the camera. So let's go and do that first. So before that, you just turn off this pre-comp and make sure you are at the full resolution. And go ahead and select the footage, track camera, and go inside advanced, check this detail analysis. So we're gonna wait for After Effects to track the camera, and I'll be right back when this is done. Alright, the tracking has been done. You can see that it's tracked perfectly, and let's just come to the timeline, and maybe I'm gonna just select these parts and right click, create solid and camera, and I'm gonna turn off the solid, and you have this, and you can turn back the pre-comp that we have created earlier and make this a 3D, and you see that it's there in the scene. And what I'm gonna also do is select this pen behind tool and move the anchor point to the bottom. Hold down Control so that it snaps to the bottom. Okay, and I'm gonna go and add a CC cylinder to this layer. CC cylinder, just click on that, and right away you can see that some sort of paper flying. It's there sticking on the screen, and I'm gonna move this up a touch. And what I'm also going to do is shift and parent it to the solid, and we can adjust the position now again. Okay, let's just see. I think we're gonna adjust the scale of this. Okay, so I think scale it and also adjust your rotation. Let's just see the timing. So when I open up, we'll just start the animation from here and move it down. Okay, so let's open that, comes up and goes back up. Okay, something like that. So once you have this, you can duplicate this, Control D, and you can just offset the timing, and it's just a random, you know, variation. You can just go on duplicating, and you can also rotate it this, and also the timing to this. The whole idea is to have some random variation. And we're gonna also replace this with a different screenshot later on. So we're gonna build the scene first. Okay, so I'm gonna duplicate one more time and maybe change the scale of this. Shift and scale it down, and maybe even rotate it even more, something like that. And I'm also going to select all of this, Control D to duplicate it, move this up, and add some variation to this, and select the individual layers. And yeah, let's just keep this for now, and we're gonna come back and add some more variation to this, not just the rotation and scale. Okay, we're gonna go inside the keyframes and add some position variation to this. But before that, we need to replace this with a new screenshots. So before that, let's just go to the project, and we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 pre-comps. So I'm going inside this project panel, and I'm going to duplicate this 7 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we have 8. I'm going to select all of this, double click, and that opens up all the pre-comps. I'm going inside number 2, and I'm going to select this. You can see that we're going to replace this with this. Okay, hold down Alt and drag and drop it. Oops, Alt, drag and drop it. That replaced that. So we're going to do for number 3, Alt and replace it, and we're going to do for the rest of the pre-comp. So I'm just going to do real quick, and I'll be just right back after that. Alright, so I'm done with that. I can just go back to the main comp and see here we still have the same because we haven't replaced the pre-comps inside this. So we're gonna do exactly the same thing. So I'm gonna go to this pre-comp, hold down Alt and drag and drop these 2 here, and that replaces this. And we're gonna select this, and number 3, Alt and drag and drop. Number 4, Alt and drag and drop it, and we're gonna do for the rest of the pre-comps. Okay, all right, so you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 pre-comps are here. Now that you have that, you can go inside this one, number 5, double click on it, hit U, and I think I will change this direction, just the opposite, just to have some variation. Okay, so maybe here, something like that. All right, so and number 7. So don't change everything, because if you change everything again, you'll end up having the same exact animation without any variation. Okay, so I think change it this way. And let's go back and see what we have. You can see that now you have a random movement like that. So lastly, you can turn on the motion blur for all the layers and for the composition. Make sure to hit the subscribe button if you like it. This is Motion Designer, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.